Are you tired of feeling sluggish and dealing with the symptoms of fatty liver disease? In this episode, we're sharing 13 simple strategies to help you reverse this condition and get back to feeling your best. From diet and exercise tips to lifestyle changes, we've got everything you need to manage the fatty liver disease and improve your overall health. Don't let fatty liver control your life any longer. Join us as we explore these effective strategies for reversing this condition. Fatty liver disease, commonly known as hepatic steatosis, is a disorder in which excess fat accumulates in the liver. This can cause liver cell damage and inflammation, which over time can develop into more severe liver disorders including cirrhosis or liver cancer. It is a treatable condition with the proper diet, lifestyle modifications, and occasionally medication. We'll go over 13 straightforward methods in this article that you can employ to control and treat fatty liver disease. If you carefully implement these suggestions, you can maintain the health and proper operation of your liver. 1. Maintain a healthy weight. If you are overweight or obese, losing weight can help lower the amount of fat in your liver. Losing weight through a combination of diet and exercise can help to reduce the fat in your liver. 2. Be mindful of your diet. Saturated fats, processed carbs, and sugar are all risk factors for fatty liver disease. Incorporate more probiotics in your diet to improve gut health. Your liver can be protected by eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Use herbs and spices in cooking to add flavor and nourishment. Consume more garlic, ginger, and turmeric, as they are known for their liver protective properties. Avoid processed food and sugary drinks. Drink enough water, and aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. 3. Exercise frequently. Exercise promotes calorie burning, body fat reduction, and general health improvement. On most days of the week, try to get in at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity, like brisk walking. 4. Reduce your alcohol intake. Drinking too much alcohol might result in liver inflammation and fat accumulation. If you drink alcohol, do it in moderation. 5. Manage any underlying conditions. Conditions such as diabetes, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure can lead to fatty liver disease. Controlling these disorders can help safeguard your liver. 6. Take the supplements that are advised. Studies have shown that vitamin E, D, milk thistle, and omega-3 fatty acids have been found to be beneficial in reversing fatty liver. Obtain advice from a medical expert regarding your personal dosage requirements. 7. Take medication into consideration. In some circumstances, a doctor may recommend medication to help enhance liver function and decrease the amount of fat in the liver. 8. Avoid toxic exposure. Pesticides, cleaning supplies, and some medications can all cause fatty liver disease when used in excess. Avoid exposure to these drugs as much as you can, and always abide by the usage guidelines. 9. Get your liver function tested. Get your liver function tested regularly to monitor the progress of your fatty liver and to detect any other potential liver problems. 10. Control blood sugar levels. People with diabetes are at a higher risk of developing fatty liver, so managing blood sugar levels is important. 11. Manage stress. Stress can contribute to fatty liver, so find ways to manage stress such as practicing yoga, meditation, or deep breathing. 12. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can contribute to fatty liver, so aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. 13. Avoid medications that can harm the liver. Some medications can cause damage to the liver, so talk to your doctor about any medications you're taking and their potential side effects. In conclusion, fatty liver disease is a treatable disorder that can be controlled and even cured by leading a healthy lifestyle. You can take charge of your liver health and safeguard yourself from the growth of this problem by putting these 13 straightforward methods into practice. Remember that you must remain dedicated to the adjustments you make and exercise patience while awaiting the effects if you want to see actual development. Check with your doctor before making significant dietary or activity changes, particularly if you have any underlying medical issues. They can assist you in developing a strategy that is appropriate for you. You may improve your overall health by caring for your liver. Don't wait any longer to take control of your health and reverse your fatty liver. Implement these 13 simple strategies in your daily routine today and start seeing the results. Share this video with friends and family who may also be dealing with fatty liver disease. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Together, we can improve our health and reverse this condition.